Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're checking out the Tive Best Mini Chainsaws for 2026. Perfect for yard work, cutting firewood, trimming branches, and DIY projects. Whether you want something lightweight for quick jobs or a powerful model for tougher cuts, we've got you covered. Stick around to see which mini chainsaw comes out on top. And don't forget to check all product links in the description below if you want to grab one yourself or compare prices. Let's jump right in. 5. Substable BLX 168. Upgrade your outdoor cutting game with the Substable M8 Ace Mini Chainsaw, the compact powerhouse designed for convenience and performance. Featuring a smart 2-in-1 design with interchangeable 6-inch and 8-inch guide bars, this versatile tool adapts easily to firewood cutting, tree pruning, and branch trimming. Powered by a high-performance 1,000-watt brushless motor, it delivers 30% more power with less heat and longer durability for smooth, efficient cutting every time. Weighing just 3.2 pounds, this lightweight and women-friendly cordless chainsaw is easy to handle, making it perfect for beginners, seniors, and DIY enthusiasts. With two 2,000 milliamp hour rechargeable batteries providing up to 60 minutes of runtime, plus fast charging and an automatic oiling system for low maintenance, you get reliable, hassle-free performance. Complete with full safety protection accessories and a convenient carrying case, the Substable M8 Ace is the perfect all-in-one tool and an ideal gift for gardeners, homeowners, and outdoor lovers alike. 4. Hopto MR6504. Upgrade your yard work with this lightweight, well-balanced cordless mini chainsaw designed for easy one-hand control and reduced wrist fatigue. Its high-efficiency motor and durable chain deliver smooth, steady cuts through branches up to 6 inches thick. No forcing or struggling required. Just clean and natural cutting power. The long-lasting rechargeable battery features built-in overload and temperature protection, so you can finish pruning, storm cleanup, or weekend projects with confidence. Multiple safety features, including a safety lock, protective guard, and non-slip grip, provide added control and peace of mind, while the complete accessory kit keeps everything organized and ready to go. Practical, powerful, and easy to use, this mini chainsaw also makes a thoughtful Father's Day, birthday, Christmas, or housewarming gift for dads, grandpas, husbands, and DIY enthusiasts who love tackling home and garden projects. 3. EPY MNCS 118. Upgrade your cutting power with the CPI 6-inch cordless mini chainsaw, built for speed, efficiency, and convenience. Powered by an upgraded 880-watt pure copper motor, this compact beast delivers a high chain speed of 28.6 ft per second, slicing through a 6-inch log in just 8 seconds to save you time and effort on any job. The smart auto oil filling system keeps the chain smoothly lubricated with just one press, reducing wear while maximizing cutting performance, all without carrying bulky oil bottles. Designed to be lightweight, portable, and easy to handle with one hand, it's perfect for homeowners, gardeners, and even beginners who want safe and effortless control. With two 21-volt, 2,000 milliamp hour rechargeable batteries, you'll enjoy up to 40 minutes of continuous cutting power, plus built-in overload and temperature protection for long-lasting performance. Safety is a top priority, featuring a dual-trigger lock system, protective baffle, anti-slip handle, gloves, and goggles for complete peace of mind. Packed with multiple accessories and backed by a 24-month hassle-free warranty, the CPI Mini Chainsaw is your go-to tool for fast, smooth, and reliable woodcutting, whether at home or on the job. 2. TDOC MNCS 118. Looking for serious cutting power without the bulk and intimidation of a full-size chainsaw? The TDOC Mini Chainsaw Cordless packs an impressive 880-watt high-power motor, durable manganese steel chain, and built-in auto oiler system to slice through 6-inch branches effortlessly, like a hot knife through butter. Weighing just 3.3 pounds, it's lightweight, easy to handle, and perfect for homeowners, women, seniors, and anyone who wants a gardener-friendly tool without arm fatigue or messy extension cords. The automatic lubrication system keeps cuts smooth all day with less wear and less effort, while the 2,000 milliamp hour rechargeable battery delivers reliable power for pruning, trimming, camping, and DIY projects anywhere. Designed with safety in mind, it features a dual-button security lock, protective baffle, and anti-slip handle for confident control. Plus, with a 365-day warranty and a complete accessory kit included, this mini chainsaw makes the perfect practical gift and a must-have tool to save money by handling garden trimming yourself. One CCM6 Lite upgrade your cutting game with the CC Mini Chainsaw, the perfect blend of power, portability, and safety. Equipped with a powerful 900-watt motor and precision-hardened chain, this compact beast delivers chain speeds up to 30 feet per second, slicing through wood up to 15 centimeters thick in just 7 seconds, smoothly and effortlessly. Weighing only 2.7 pounds, it's designed for true one-handed operation, making it ideal for women, seniors, DIY beginners, and anyone who wants maximum control without fatigue. With two long-lasting 21-volt 2,000 mAh batteries, you'll enjoy up to 100 minutes of continuous cutting, perfect for garden pruning, branch trimming, and timber cutting without interruptions. Safety is built in with a double safety lock, protective chain guard, and low recoil design, while the quiet operation keeps your workspace peaceful. Plus, unlike others, CC includes a durable storage case and a complete accessory kit, so you can start working right out of the box. Whether for home projects or as the perfect gift, this mini chainsaw delivers professional performance with worry-free 2-year after-sales support. All right, everyone, that wraps up our top 5 best mini chainsaws of 2026. Whether you're trimming branches, cutting firewood, or tackling quick backyard projects, there's a mini chainsaw on this list that fits your needs and budget. From compact powerhouses to heavy-duty cordless options, each one brings something unique to the table. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest product reviews and comparisons. We're always testing and researching the best tools to save you time and money. You'll find the links to all the mini chainsaws mentioned in this video down in the description below. Check them out for the latest prices, deals, and detailed specs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.